So let a comma b are two non-empty sets and a equal to a comma b equal to pqr. Then find number of functions from a to b and also find out number of one functions, onto functions with bijections. So here given a equal to a comma b equal to p comma q comma r. That implies here number of a is equal to 2, number of b is equal to 3. So number one here, number of functions from a to b is equal to, we know formula, that is number of b whole power of number of a, that is equal to, here 3 power of 2 equal to. So total number of functions from a to b is equal to number of b whole power of number of a, that is equal to 9. Number 2, total number of one functions, total number of one functions from a to b is equal to, already we know formula, number of b p number of a. P means a permutation, that is equal to number of b, that is 3 p 2. This is 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 factorial. This is 6. So total number of one functions is equal to 6. Of one functions already we have taken, that is equal to 6. Now total number of many one functions, number of many one functions from a to b is equal to total number of functions minus one functions, that is total number of functions 9, one function 6, that is equal to. So total number of many one functions equal to 3. Number 4, number of onto functions from a to b is equal to 0, since number of b less than number of a. That's why onto functions does not exist. So number of into functions from a to b is equal to, already total number of onto functions is equal to 0. That's why total functions are into functions, that is equal to 9, because here total number of onto functions does not exist. That's why total functions are into functions, that is number 6, number of bijections from a to b is equal to 0, since if number of a is equal to number of b, then bijection functions exist. So I am taking another example here. Verify one and onto to the function f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1 for all x belongs to R. That means here domain and codomain equal to real line. Domain and codomain is equal to real line. So here I am taking, let y is equal to f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. So y equal to x square plus x plus 1. This represents the parabola opening upwards, because x square coefficient is positive. This represents the parabola opening upwards. First to draw the graph of the parabola. For drawing the graph of the parabola, take here first x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. That implies y is equal to 1. So this is 1 point. This is 0, 1. So that means the graph is intersecting y-axis at 0, 1. And also for finding vertex we need slope of the graph. That is, I am taking from this dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 1. Take slope equal to 0. That means dy by dx is equal to 0. That is x equal to minus 1 by 2. Find out y. That is y is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. This is equal to 4 is LCM. That is 1 minus 2 plus 4. This is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore here vertex is equal to. Here x value is minus 1 by 2. Y value is 3 by 4. So that is vertex of the parabola is equal to minus 1 by 2, 3 by 4. Take all these values in the coordinate axis. This is x-axis, y-axis. So the graph is intersecting y-axis at 0, 1. So that is important. And the vertex is very variable. Suppose I am taking here, this is minus 1 by 2. And 3 by 4 is this one. This is 3 by 4, suppose. So this is the vertex. Clearly the graph is intersected. Suppose this is the parabola opening upwards. This value is 0, 1. This is the parabola opening upwards. So what is the vertex? Well, this is the vertex. Vertex is minus 1 by 2, 3 by 4. So any line parallel to x-axis intersecting the graph more than 1 point. It is not 1, 1. So any line parallel to x-axis intersecting the graph more than 1 point. It is not 1, 1. And also you observe this is the range. Range means y values only. What is the minimum value of y? 3 by 4. Maximum is reaching to plus infinity. So that's why here first one I am taking here f is not 1, 1. F is not 1, 1. Because the line parallel to x-axis intersecting the graph more than 1 point. Number 2 here, range of the graph is equal to 3 by 4 to infinity. Here closed interval, open interval. So it is not equal to codomain. Therefore f is not onto. So right, I am taking another example. So that is third problem in this. Let f R2 R given by f of x equal to x square minus 4 by x square plus 1. So verify here 1, 1 onto to the given function. So first to take here given function is f of x equal, that is given f of x is equal to x square minus 4 by x square plus 1. So here we have mathematical definition. What is the mathematical definition to the 1, 1 function? For x1 belongs to x1 comma x2 belongs to a, such that f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 equal to x2 for the mathematical definition of 1, 1 function. So here I am taking for 1, 1 take f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That implies x1 square minus 4 by x1 square plus 1, which is equal to x2 square minus 4 by x2 square plus 1. Replace x equal to x1 in this one. Replace x equal to x2 in this. So x by x1, x by x2. By cross multiplication, first multiply x1 square with this. So x1 square, x2 square plus x1 square minus 4 into this, minus 4 x2 square minus 4, that is equal to, multiply this with this, x1 square, x2 square. Next x1 square into minus 4 x1. Next 1 into this, that is x2 square minus 4. Remove their common terms on both sides, that is minus 4 also. So take here remaining x1 square, take minus, that is 5x1 square is equal to 5x2 square. So transpose similar terms on both sides. So you will get here 5x1 square equal to 5x2 square. This is equal to x1 square equal to x2 square. That implies x1 equal to plus or minus x2. Therefore, f is not 1, 1. Because the definition of the 1, 1 function is for x1 comma x2 belongs to A and f of x1 equal to f of x2. That implies x1 equal to x2. Here we got x1 equal to plus or minus x2. When we get x1 equal to x2, then it is 1, 1. But here x1 equal to plus or minus x2. We are getting for x1 two values. So that's why it is not 1, 1 function.
1, 2, 3.
For on to. Take inverse function. Take inverse function. That is, let y is equal to x square minus 4 by x square plus 1. That implies x square y plus y is equal to x square minus 4. That implies x square into y minus 1 plus y minus, that is directly you take here x square y minus 1 is equal to minus y minus 4. That is x square is equal to minus y minus 4. This is minus y minus 4 by y minus 1. That is x square is equal to, multiply with minus, that is y plus 4 by 1 minus y. That is also equal to x is equal to plus or minus under root of y plus 4 by 1 minus y. From this you take y plus 4 by 1 minus y always greater than or equal to 0. So this is also equal to, I am taking y plus 4 by y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Take minus. That implies y minus 1 into y plus 4 less than or equal to 0 by y minus 1 whole square. The multiply and divide by y minus 1 we get like this. So that is, I am taking like this, y minus 1 into y plus 4 less than or equal to 0 in brackets y not equal to 1. That implies here y not equal 1, y minus 1 into y plus 4 less than or equal to 0 means here I am taking for one open interval. For the minus 4 take close interval. That means y is belongs to minus 4 to 1, here open interval, here close interval, because y not equal to 1. So that's why this is y belongs to minus 4 comma 1 means this is the range. This is what range. So range is equal to minus 4 comma 1. This is open interval, this is closed. This is not equal to codomain. This is not equal to codomain. So f is not onto. So by graphically, here I am taking same function. F of x is equal to x square minus 4 by x square plus 1. We can draw the graph of this. First you take f dash x. F dash x is equal to x square plus 1 into 2x minus x square minus 4 u by v method 2x by x square plus 1. Let slope equal to 0. That means 2x into x square plus 1 minus x square plus 4 equal to 0. So denominator equal 0 and take 2x common, we get this one. Okay, x square. That means here x equal to 0. If x equal 0, what is the y? That is very, very important. That means put x equal 0 in f of x. That is y is equal to 0 minus 4 by 0 plus 1. This is minus 4. So here I am taking at 0 comma minus 4. So f dash x equal to 0. Is f of x is equal to x square minus 4 by x square plus 1. Now you observe this, take x square common in the numerator denominator. So here I am taking 1 plus 1 by x square. If x tends to plus or minus infinity, then y is equal to 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. That means here I am drawing the graph of the given function. This is x-axis and y-axis. So take 0. Here this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. And also you observe this, clearly the slope is 0 at 0 comma minus 4. That means here, suppose x equal to 0, this is 0 comma minus 4. Here slope 0. And also at x tends to plus or minus infinity, y is equal to 1. The graph is reaching only 1 where x tends to infinity, where x tends to minus infinity. That means here you take one line like this. This is 1. So that means here when x tends to infinity from here, the graph is reaching to 1. That means this is the curve, This is the curve like this. It is reaching to 1. In the same way, x tends to minus infinity, the graph is from here, the graph is reaching to 1. This is the graph of the given function. So when you draw any line parallel to x-axis on the graph, clearly intersecting the graph at 2 points. That means it is not 1-1 function. If any line intersects the graph more than 1 point, it is not 1-1. And also you observe this, range is, so range means take like this, range is equal to minus 4 to, this is the minimum value. Maximum value is when x tends to infinity reaching to 1, when x tends to minus infinity again reaching to 1. That means maximum value is below 1. Here this is the closed interval. So this is not equal to codomain. Codomain is R given. So that's why it is not onto and not 1-1 also by.
Start.
So I am taking another function. If the function f r to a given by f of x equal x square by x square plus 1 is surjective. Surjective means onto. If the function is onto, then find a. Here domain is R. What is the codomain? But function is onto, then find out the codomain. If the function is onto, codomain equal to range of the function. Already given in the before examples. So if the function is onto, then codomain is equal to range of the function. Surjective means onto. So I am taking this problem by graphically only. Suppose here let y is equal to f of x is equal to x square by x square plus 1. Take dy by dx first, where the slope is 0, just observe. Take dy by dx. This is x square plus 1 into 2x minus x square into 2x by x square plus 1 whole square. So u by v method. From this, take dy by dx equal to 0. From that we get 2x common, x square plus 1 minus x square equal to 0. That means x equal to 0. At x equal 0, clearly what is y? That is also important. Y is equal to, put x equal 0 in this. So 0. At 0, 0, given curve slope is right. Next one here, so that is f of x is equal to y is equal to x square by x square plus 1. From this you write like this, 1 by 1 plus 1 by x square. Now if x tends to plus or minus infinity, then what is y? Y is equal to 1 by 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. Here again, when x tends to infinity, y is equal to 1. When x tends to minus infinity, y is also equal to 1. That means the graph is reaching plus 1 when x tends to plus or minus infinity. That's why you draw the graph of the given function. So this is x-axis. So slope is 0 at 0, 0, origin only. That's why I'm taking like this. This is the origin. So take here, suppose I'm taking slope is 0 at origin. But graph is reaching when x is reaching to plus infinity and minus infinity plus 1 only. So that's why I'm taking here, this is 1. So you take like this. This is the border line. Because graph is from here reaching 1. From here also graph is reaching 1. So this is the graph of, if you want to take like this. This is curve, you know. So here to the right side from the 0, graph is reaching to 1. To the left side from the 0, graph is reaching to 1. So that's why here maximum value. So here this is the minimum value. So you take any length. Suppose I want here only subject. Given problem is subjective. So that's why the range is equal to codomain. So given I am writing here. Given f is surjective. F is surjective. That implies range is equal to codomain. Codomain. That is, range means, what is the range? 0 to 1. So this is 0 to 1. Here 1 means open interval. This is closed interval. This is equal to codomain is what? Yeah. So if the function is surjective, that means onto, then range equal to codomain. From the graph, minimum value is 0. Maximum means it is reaching to 1, not equal to 1. So that's why open interval take it.